Hello. So today I'm going to do a quick demo of Kanopi's integration with Semantic Scholar and Wikidata. So what you're viewing right now is my research tree. So these are people whose work has been, motivating or informing Kanopi's development, and a bunch of different subjects, right, that are related to Kanopi, with papers or books or whatever that I've been reading. So one thing you may notice is when I click on a lot of these authors or books or papers, right, they have links because that's where everything is. It's on the web. That's where all this content lives. But I'm trying to take notes and organize it here in my Kanopi. So let's see how I can do that with Semantic Scholar. So I'm going to click on this author, this person, Catherine C. Marshall. You can see I already have a bunch of inbound links. And it looks like I learned about her from Alan Kay, I think something he wrote, or something was written about him. I believe he worked with Catherine. And there are a whole bunch of papers and which she authored, and all of these have been very interesting and relevant. So you may notice I actually already linked this person to Wikidata and Semantic Scholar, so I can remove it and show you again how it happens. But right here on web integrations, I click that from here. Semantic Scholar, it automatically puts the node's title in and searches for you, and that looks right. So I'm going to click it, and that established the link. So doing that now puts these little expandable accordion things on the bottom. These are links right from Semantic Scholar and links to Semantic Scholar. About Catherine C. Marshall. So now we can go through here, and these are all, right, you can see the link source and the links type. These are all papers that she's written, right, she's the author, and there are a lot of them. So one thing I wanted to demonstrate here is, so I'm going to filter that list, and one of them is which semantic web, and I actually already have a link to that. So I'm going to shift click to create the link and go to it, and you can see now I've gone to which semantic web, right? And there already actually are there links here. So I've already had this node in my Kanopi. Clicking that link suggestion, because it had the same title, automatically used that existing node and linked it to Semantic Scholar. So now I can click that, and so here's the paper, right? Here's a link at the paper at Semantic Scholar. I can get the PDF, do whatever I want here, but I can also just hang out in Kanopi. And you can see now, so this paper has a whole bunch of citations and some other metadata about it, and a bunch of inbound citations. And I can just follow this out. So let's see, this is about which semantic web. I want to look for papers about tools that cite this paper. So now I can click that. And there we go. I'm on another paper. This paper is by G.P. Rogers. I can click here to go read the paper, learn more about it, take notes on it right back in Kanopi. And let's say now I want to learn more about this author, G.P. Rogers. So I'm going to shift click on it. And boom, I am here. G. Philip Rogers. I see. So he authored 5 other papers. He has an influential citation count of 2. That's his name. And I can kind of keep going this way, right? Hopping around this web of research, making links to stuff in my own Kanopi. If I want more information about this person, I could try to find them on Wikidata, but not everyone is there, so that's okay. But that's basically the idea. Right, so you can take I guess one more thing is, let's say now I'm writing notes about this person, notes, related to, right, Catherine Marshall. Actually, no, I'm going to say this person's related to Catherine of Alexandria, just to demonstrate something, which is you're searching, right, in your notes, but you're also getting results back when it has this little icon from external sources. So this is Wikidata, right? So I can click that, It'll take me to the Wikidata page for Catherine of Alexandria. Go back. So yeah, that is some examples of how you'd use the web integrations to do research in Kanopi. Thanks.